So what's up mga kaasinan? Another day, another gala. Naghahanap ba kayo ng magagalaan kung saan walang babayarang entrance fee dito sa UAE? Tama, walang babayaran. So dito na kayo mga kaasinan. For today's video, andito kami ngayon kung saan ang pinagmamalaki nilang Bab's Mandar Temple. Ito ay isang Hindu temple na matatagpuan sa Abu Maraika, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sheikh Zayed Highway. Ito ay itinayo noong December 2019 at binuksan sa publiko sa Araw ng Mga Puso noong February 14, 2024. So sa mga gustong pumunta dito, mag-register lamang kayo online through app or search nyo lamang ang Mandar Hindu Temple. Siyempre, bago tayo pumasok, kailangan natin magtanggal ng sapatos para mapanatili ang kalinisan at ayos ng temple. So ayan mga kaasinan, facts lang about sa Mandar Temple. The Mandar Temple constructed from Rajasthani pink sandstone and Italian marble, standing 108 feet tall, 262 feet long, and 180 feet wide. So, kitang-kita nyo naman yung detailing ng kanilang temple. Napakaganda. Wala akong masabi. This is my first time. Noong 2015, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, gifted this 27 hectares of land for the project. The Mandar has become a symbol of interfaith harmony. The land was donated by a Muslim crown prince, the lead architect was Christian, and the construction manager was Sheikh, and the foundation designer was Buddhist. So dyan na po natatapos ang ating gala video for today mga kaasinan. Ako nga pala si Joe, OFW dito sa United Arab Emirates. Another day, another gala.